Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Skilldouble. And as I always mention, thank you so much for your support. My channel has grown to like 50 subscribers as of now. Uh, I just started, and this is something which makes me happy that my channel is getting subscribed by the viewers. So I would request your support so that I quickly, touch the milestone of 100. So without any further ado, I just want us to tell you that what my video is going to be today, where I'm going to let you all know how to use data validation function in Microsoft Excel. So like you can create drop downs. For example, we use cases like if you're creating a table and you have to enter either team A, team B, or team C or team D in this particular column against the individuals. Like if the rep is Jones, so Jones is from which team you have to enter, right? So likewise, you have to enter for all of these reps in the following columns. Um, Rather than you doing it manually, you can create a data validation over here in this on this column, because of which you would just select, the team from the drop down. So how we are going to do is by following two steps. One, you should have the list like this in handy. So create the list like this. All right, only the names or whatever information that you're putting, like this in the order as a list, right? Once you've done that, you have to select the this column. So this is the second step, that is, adding data validation to the column. For that, you have to select the column first. Once you selected the column, you need to, click on it. You have to go to data, or on this ribbon, you will find the option called as data validation. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will find data validation tab. Here you have to select list from allow. Once you do that, it will ask you to select, the source. For that, you can select the source. That is the list that you have created. And select it, click again on this icon. Once you've done that, the list have been selected, and then click on OK. So once I have done it, so the entire column will have this particular data validation done. So here, if you see, the drop down is created now, which has team A, B, C, or D. Based on their selection, we'll fill it. So whatever you're selecting, it will get filled in here. So this will make your life easy when you are working on a particular, data or a table. When you're working on your Microsoft Excel, this kind of acts will help, all right, in order to be put data easily and quickly. I hope this video helped you all. If yes, then please like my video, share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.